So crashes create more millionaires than booms. And this is how you can be the next millionaire. I've learnt this. And look, we're in a crash right now, whether you believe it or not, we're in a crash right now. If you look at some of house prices in London, some of them are down to 2013 levels. 2013, we're in 2025. The rest of the UK, if you look at house prices, more than they currently are worth. So, oh, lost connection there. And every time that we've had market conditions like this, where house prices are undervalued versus inflation, every time there's been a boom. There's been a boom in house prices just a few years later. So we're in a crash right now. And here's the thing to understand. Most people are going to miss it because they're too unsure, too scared to act. They listen to fear. They listen to their mates who say, you need to wait for the market to come back, or don't do it now, or I wouldn't do that if I was you. But what I've learned and what I want to share with you guys is there's something called an opportunity curve. Now, it's really, really simple. An opportunity curve is when prices are high, when certainty is high, prices are high. And when uncertainty is high, prices are low. When prices are low, there's better deals to be done. But most people wait for certainty. And what I've learned is the wealthy people, the successful wealthy people, they do the opposite. They just do their numbers, they back themselves, and then they move early. And they capitalise on these deals. If you think about 2008, those of you who were around in the financial crisis, Warren Buffett invested into Goldman Sachs, something like $5 billion. When everyone else was too scared, everyone else was running, banks were folding, Warren Buffett invested $5 billion. And he's made over $3 billion in profit from that deal. Think about other people, people we know, people like Rob and Mark, for example. They scaled their property portfolio massively at the same time. Why? Because it's the right time. Fear was high, values were low, but their profit massive. And this is why we've got Property.School. It's to help people like you do the same. It's a brand new relaunched platform that helps people learn how to take advantage of market conditions like we're in right now. There are hundreds of hours of courses, masterclasses and resources. There's weekly content. It's cancel anytime. There's no ongoing contract. And if you want to learn how to become the next property millionaire and take advantage of market conditions like we've got right now, that's the place to be. And all you've got to do is go to Property.School and join and start taking advantage of these market conditions right now. Let me share a link with you guys actually. So you can join. There we go. I also want to talk about 3 traits of wealthy property investors that I can see. What I've learned, what I do myself, and what I push myself to do every single time. So number 1 is they know how to raise cash. Especially when confidence is low. They know how to find investors and raise cash so they can keep doing deals all the time. 2, they know how to source deals. They know how to get direct to vendor. They know how to get those exclusive BMV deals and creative deals. And 3, they act when others wait. And I'm doing that right now. So